Hey guys, back with another video. Today, we're gonna be doing something a little differently. We are going to be doing a tutorial. This is a tutorial video. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make my patent pending, amazing ham and salami sandwich. It's gonna be great. So, first step in how to make it, we're gonna just jump straight into the tutorial. You're gonna need some bread. Now here, I've got some Nature's Own butter bread. Now, if it was up to me, and for tutorial purposes, I would use honey wheat bread. I would not use white bread. I would use honey wheat bread. It is better and it is healthier. So, we're gonna start out with the butter bread, whatever, doesn't matter. You got your bread, right? Next up, we're gonna need some salami. Right here, I've got some great value, hard salami. That's gonna do the job perfectly, good price, good portion size, great. We're gonna go with that. And we're gonna grab about 3 slices, okay? We're gonna open them, fold them like this, and put it on the sandwich like that. We're gonna do that again. Perfect. And you're gonna stack them on top of each other like that. Just like that. Looks like we're gonna need 1 more, so it's actually 4 salamis, okay? Get that 4th salami on there. Hell freaking yeah, it should look just like that. So now that you're done with the salami, carefully put that lid back on and put it away. Next up, you're gonna need some Hillshire Farm honey ham. If it was up to me, I would be using Great Value ham, but this is what we have in the fridge. Black Forest ham would also do the job, but honey ham is good too. There we go. It's all balled up. You wanna be really careful that you don't rip the ham. You don't want that happening. That would be so tragic. 1 piece of ham, like that. 2 pieces of ham, 3rd slice of ham, just like that. Perfect. 3 slices of ham, 4 slices of salami. That is a good ratio, in my opinion. You're gonna put this to the side. Next up, you gotta worry about is your green. Every sandwich needs a green. Greens are healthy and important. Today we're using some lettuce. You could use something else. I'm gonna use lettuce though. Another good option is baby spinach. That's also a great option, but to each their own. I'm gonna go wash my hands because they're dirty. All right, we're back. Now we gotta start worrying about our lettuce. So let's unwrap our lettuce. Looks like a good slice. Yeah, this looks like a good slice. Rip these off. And we can put this back away while we're still thinking about it. Better to save time, do it now than to do it later, right? Put this away. Now we're gonna quickly rinse our lettuce. We're gonna do that right now. Now that it's nice and soaked, get yourself a paper towel. Just kind of squeeze around just like that. And then really make sure you get that part down. It can be a little damp, but it's preferred if it wasn't as damp. Nice. Now, I don't want to use a knife, so we're not gonna use a knife. Instead, we're going to just rip as we need. So, we don't need this big stem here, right? We're gonna rip it like here. Nice piece of lettuce. Bloop. Right there on the sandwich. And then, same thing. Nice piece of lettuce. Bloop. Then save these because you're gonna just eat it like that. Because it's a good source of fiber. Now, next thing you're gonna wanna do is flip your lettuce over to the other side. Now, why are we doing that? You may be asking. It's because the sauce and seasoning are coming next. And you want them to have a place to stay so they don't get lost. We're gonna use some Hellmann's real mayo right here. And we're gonna put it on the meat. I think I caught that. Just like that. A nice coating, perfect. Then you're gonna need some salt. Today, we're using Member's Mark sea salt, and you're gonna put it on the mayonnaise. Don't be shy with your salt. There's no such thing as too much salt, in my opinion. Next up, McCormick black peppercorn. Black peppercorn is one of my favorite seasonings, so do not be shy with it. If this just tastes like seasoning, you did it right. Next up, we got McCormick oregano. This, you also don't want to be shy with. Really lather it up, just like that. Make sure you put your ingredients away now and not later. All right, now, the last step, quite simple. Boop. Now you want the lettuce touching the mayo. That's a big part of this. And then, it's done. Look at your yummy sandwich. Look how yummy it looks. Looks delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. Have a good one.